treat me like white teeth. Don't get me dirty.
Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. She knows.
That was great. Thank you. I needed that.
Bro!
Bro!
Never mind.
What?
Nothing. I'm so curious about your face.
Should I take it off for you?
No?
How old are you?
Yes.
You're 18.
Yep.
Nice.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm
So,
so curious about your face.
why are you curious? I'm ugly.
Cap.
It's fine.
Okay. I'm just gonna take it off, right?
Sure.
Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me.
Hi! Kuya, excited ako! Excited ako! Excited ako! Wait
So your
lang,
name is
screenshot
Faith?
ko to. Okay na.
Okay.
Mamaya papalo ko to. Oh!
Aww.
Hala, no! Ayoko na!
Nasaan ka?
Hindi,
Ang
wala,
ito
wala.
na
Hindi
reaction
ako
mo.
yan.
So,
Kuya, na-prank mo ako ha.
it's
Pero
not a
una pa
prank
lang
to
alam
you.
ko na eh.
Sige.
Joke lang, joke lang.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. She knows.
Dala sa Korea. I'm speechless. Why are you like that?
Like what?
Why are you not in heaven?
I wanna be next to you. Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me.
So, what's your name?
My name's Kate.
Oh, nice to meet you, Kate. I'm Randall.
That was cool.
Oh, thank you. I just did that for you.
Thank you.
So, are you Korean?
Yeah.
Oh, saranghe.
I like your glasses.
Nice.
Oh, thank you. I like it too.
Is this like for something? Is this like for something?
No?
You just made that by yourself?
Yeah, for you.
What?
For you. I wanna meet a beautiful girl like you, and you're the first one.
Cap.
Day 2.
Ba't di ka natatakot?
Ba't ako matatakot? Eh, matapang ako.
Matapang ka?
12 seconds later.
Ay, kabayo! Ba't ako matatakot? Ba't ako matatakot? Kagog yun. Ay! Isa! Ba't ako matatakot? Ba't ako matatakot?
Kala ko matapang ka. Ha? Nasaan yung tapang mo?
Ambot! Ambot!
Nasaan yung tapang mo? Kala ko matapang ka.
Yawa. Yawa. Ayaw ka.
Girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking hot, 4th of July. You're officially coming with me.
Wala na wala yung buko. Ayan, dyan niya.
Okay na.
Stig! Angas!
Bati, madi siya ng late.
Gano'n kaangas?
Hindi na, madi siya ng...
Sobrang 100. Kinon. Yawa. Yawa.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hello.
Hello?
It's you.
Me? What?
Yeah, the guy who were wearing a mask earlier.
I don't wear a mask.
No, I remember the background.
The fuck?
Yeah, it's you.
I've just been here for 10 minutes.
Cap.
Really?
Yeah.
I do remember the background though. You were wearing like what do you call that one? Like
Why would
a
I
mask
wear?
that has an X on it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay,
So, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
V. Yeah, it's you. I know it's you. Like I remember the back.
Treat me like white teeth. Don't get me dirty.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Oh, wait.
Say, baby, what you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Shut your trap. I'm sipping wine.
Stop it. Get some help.
I actually I'll give you permission to post me.
Don't laugh at me. I'm ugly.
Girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gon' be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking hot, 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. She knows.
That's really cool.
Oh, thank you.
Brunet and blondine. Wow, it's been Christmas.
Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. She knows.
That's kinda cringe.
Tomorrow.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. It's done.
I'm speechless.
Why are you hiding your face? I'm so curious about your face.
What's your name?
My name is Crystal
Oh, nice to meet you, Crystal. I'm Rondel.
Vandal.
Rondel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yeah. I'm pure Filipino.
Yep, me too. Can you remove your mask for me?
Yeah, of course.
I won't tell anyone. Actually, I'm
But-
not with someone right
but-
now.
You need to be poker face.
Hey, girl, I'm tryna loosen you. Half and half of that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like 4th of July. You're officially coming with me.
What the? What the heck? What the heck? No way. No way. Wait.
Daddy, chill.
Oh man. Are you in a YouTube video? Yes, you are.
Yeah,
I think
but
you are.
I am, but I'm just starting like really soon.
No, I will support your YouTube video.
Oh, thank you.
I swear to God. Do I will be on your YouTube video?
Can I get your permission?
Yeah, sure.
Nice.
We're just staying right now at my tita.
Oh,
Tita's
where do you live here
house.
in
Here in the
Philippines?
Philippines. We live in Visayas.
Oh,
Visayas.
besides. You're a Bisaya?
No, I don't know what was it called, like their language here, but do you know like what's guapo?
Guapo is handsome.
Yeah. I don't know. Like I'm not really that good in Tagalog or.
Oh, so
any
you're not
language.
fluent in Tagalog?
No, not really.
Oh, too bad. Like you don't know words in Tagalog?
Actually, I know few words. Actually, I know bad words too.
No, what's the few words you know that?
I know that I love you. It's like mahal kita.
Yeah.
Mahal kita.
Mahal din
Yeah.
kita.
I wanna be next to you.
I know what that means. It's like I love you too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks! Love you!
You know what? Just keep following your dreams and continue saving up YouTube videos. I know you'll get a lot of subscribers
Oh,
someday.
thank you.
Or like maybe soon. Just
I'm gonna put
continue.
your singing too.
Oh shit! You're the one that I love, and I'm saying goodbye. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. drop my Instagram then right now. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have. You should drop yours. I'm gonna follow you right now.
follow me right now.
Okay, wait. This is my Instagram.
I think you're famous.
You're famous.
No, I'm
Nice.
not famous.
What's your name again?
What's your name again?
That is my name. What is your Instagram? Is that your Instagram over there?
No. I already followed you.
I already followed you.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna follow you there back. Okay, so have a good night.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you too. Have a good night.
Bye. Have a good night.
Ciao.
Too.
Have a good night too.